Welcome to this presentation on a comprehensive research on the benefits of smooth singing. This research was conducted by Dr. S. Brindha et al. And published in 1st January 2025. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Music therapy is a clinical and evidence based practice that uses music interventions to achieve therapeutic goals. Music medicine involves the use of music to improve health and well being through activities such as listening, singing along, moving to music, and playing an instrument. Music has a direct physiological impact on systems like heart rate and blood pressure and can be used for pain management by acting as a distraction and triggering endorphin release. The methodology involved research into the physiological and psychological effects of music. Specifically, data was collected and presented regarding the percentage levels of various physiological and psychological benefits experienced by users of the Smule singing application. The data is broken down by gender, male, female, and by frequency of experience always, very often, sometimes, rarely, never, for a range of self reported outcomes. Research on Smule singing reveals significant physiological and psychological benefits. Physiological users report stress relief open parenthesis 94 male, 88 female always very often close parenthesis, improved sleep quality open parenthesis 65 always very often close parenthesis, and enhanced immune system function open parenthesis 67 always very often close parenthesis. Singing on the platform also leads to significant improvements in singing ability, open parenthesis 89, always very often, vocal refinement 90, always very often, and breath control 87, always very often. The results indicate that music, particularly through interactive platforms like Smule, offers a wide array of health and well being benefits. The consistent high percentages across both physiological and psychological metrics suggest that engaging in singing, even in a digital format, can be a potent tool for stress reduction, mood enhancement, and personal development. Music therapy and music medicine are effective in improving health and well being. The use of music, as demonstrated by the Smule singing application, provides significant physiological and psychological benefits including stress reduction, improved mood, enhanced self esteem, and better cognitive functions. These findings support the integration of music based interventions into daily life for general wellness and therapeutic purposes.